Hello guys, thank you for tuning in our channel. Today we'll be showing you how to make your zobo using your fresh orange, your pineapple, ginger cloves and your hibiscus leaf. Wash your hibiscus leaf well to avoid to take away the dust and the sand. Yes guys, please, if today is the first time you're coming across our channel, please subscribe so you get notifications whenever we post. Thank you guys. Have you subscribed? Kindly punch that subscribe button. Thank you. So let's take off the peel, the pineapple peel, because we'll still be using it. Yes, and we'll be cutting our pineapple into smaller parts. So right now we'll be taking it to the pot. Yes, for additional flavor and taste, and we are adding our cloves. Feel free not to use your pineapple, fresh pineapple, in case you don't have. You can use the flavor if you have artificial one, yes, or any flavor of your choice, strawberry, anything. So we'll be adding water and allow it to cook on a high heat for 15 to 20 minutes. Let's go ahead and blend our pineapple while our zobo leaf is cooking on the fire. Blend until it's completely smooth. And at this point, we'll be adding our ginger. Most people will want to add ginger inside the pot to cook along with the leaf. It's optional how you want it, okay? Feel free to do how you want. So right now, we've blended our pineapple so smoothly. Let's use our cheese cloth to sieve. You are free to use your sieve if you have, or your juicer. That is welcome as well. So let's extract the juice. Yes, we'll be pressing until we are done pressing and we don't have any liquid again. Let's see what the leaf looks like. At this point, our zobo has extracted all the juice in it. Guys, in case you haven't subscribed, please I beg you subscribe to have notifications whenever I post videos. We'll be using our sieve to take away the chaffs, the pineapple bark and the zobo leaf. Also with our sieve, we'll be sieving to make sure we don't have particles in our zobo. Let's clean the work surface because we had some splash while we were sieving. At this point, guys, we'll be going in with our pineapple juice. I'm so sorry I didn't quite capture when I extracted the orange juice. It's combined with the pineapple juice. I extracted and combined it with the pineapple juice. Feel free to add your granulated sugar for additional taste. If you want to enjoy this drink, it's well served when it's chilled. Yes, hot as